This is it. We are moving to Florida. So over the last few videos, I've kind of told you guys what's happening. I didn't really give you a timeline because honestly, we didn't know. However, we signed on our Florida house this week, as well as selling the farm. I am feeling all of the emotions, as you can imagine. Sometimes I get moments of sadness and, wondering if this is the right decision. I believe that's all so normal. But in the end, there are a few things that keep me very, very focused. One is that we never loved this home. It never felt like home to us. It always just kind of felt like a stepping stone. There are so many things in this home that are not functional when it comes to like everyday living, and that's something I'm really focusing on in this new house, which I will share all about. I'm sharing a lot of that over on Instagram, so if you want to head over to Instagram and follow me in my stories, I'm talking about making spaces functional. Andrew and I have done a lot of remodeling in this house that has taught us so many things about not only design but functionality in a space. So we're gonna move. In this video, you guys are gonna see us move to freaking Florida. Holy smokes. So bakery is all taken apart. I took down that big shelf that used to be up there. All of the things are taken off the walls. Everything is boxed up and ready to go. I'm not really organizing it in here because it's all just gonna get moved out anyway. So I'm perfectly fine with how it is right now. Starter has been moved to a tiny jar, and I'm making like little loaves just for our family right now, just to keep my skills up. Mixer has been completely cleaned. I think that was in my last video where I just kind of chatted with you guys. So the plan for this week is Andrew is finishing out work today and tomorrow. Today's Monday, and then he'll work tomorrow. Wednesday morning, we're headed to get the moving truck, so we'll grab that. And then Wednesday is packing the truck day. So the big oven's gonna get moved in. All the bakery stuff goes in first because honestly, that's the last thing that we're gonna need when we get there. As much as I'm so excited to get up and moving and the bakery up and running in Florida, our family stuff is obviously more important. So all this stuff is gonna get loaded in the truck first, and then we're gonna move on to like decor, storage things, holiday decorations. And then at the end of the truck is going to be like the stuff we need every day. We got a huge moving truck, so we should have no problem with space. But holy smokes, let me show you what we have packed up so far. All right, so that is my big shelf right there that I made myself. So that is coming. This table's coming. Obviously the fridge, everything in this space is coming. These are just rags that are clean but need to come. This shelf is all storage stuff, which still needs to be packed up, but we are leaving like the paints and stains for them because if they need to touch anything up. This is the bath. So I went through, cleaned pretty much all this out. Let me turn the light on for you. All right, everything is pretty much, we're getting rid of this air hockey table because it doesn't work. I put all of my garlic into a bin. Hopefully that's good. And then all of this is our stuff. I've already bubble wrapped so much. I got some of these vacuum seal bags for winter clothes and stuff we're not going to use as often. All right, all of this stuff has been taken down. I used to have a bunch of decorations, all this stuff. The dog leashes obviously have to come with us, and I kept some bags out just in case. And these are shoes we use all the time. Kids are enjoying some Paw Patrol. Everything has been taken off walls pretty much except for that. So that's all done. And then kitchen, I have all of my bins here. Just some odds and ends, some plants. All of the walls are pretty much bare. And then the hallway, everything has been taken down off the walls. Same in the bathroom, and bedrooms are pretty bare. So some things I'm struggling with right now is just the wait. As good as it is to have time to like prepare, and I just feel like I want to get things going. Like, it's so hard to just sit around and be like, okay, I could box that up, but we could just carry it on the truck as well. So that's where we're at now. So I'll pick you guys back up tomorrow when we're gonna box up the rest of our stuff, take down the beds for the kids, and prep to get the truck. All right, kids are gone, and Andrew and I are taking everything apart, getting everything ready because we pick up the truck first thing in the morning. Yeah. How's it going? And I just got Theo's room all taken apart. Everything. I just need to vacuum in here and we're good to go. It is a mess up here. Boxes everywhere, but we're getting there. All right, we are about to be done for the night. We got Colton's room all taken apart. Both mattresses are in here, bagged. Everything is done. It does need vacuum, but there's so much stuff in here, I'm just gonna wait. But I was like looking at their heights and weights, and it does make me sad. Like, this is the room that we brought both of our babies home to, so it's definitely hard. All of their heights and weights in here. All right, we're picking up the moving truck. Do you want to just
Penske? $4,000 for a Penske truck. Ugh.
Well, it's part of moving, I guess.
Yeah.
There we go. Yee. Should be. Oh yeah, get in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Dang.
Oh, yeah. She only got 170 on her. They don't even like tell you how to like. People normally wouldn't even know how to start up a diesel or something.
All right, first step. Got this massive 26-foot truck, which we need. We have a lot to go in here. He is so giddy. For some reason, our GPS took us back country roads and wanted us to go onto a bridge that the Penske truck does not fit under. So now we are driving another 20 minutes back to where we picked up the truck to get on the highway. I don't understand. I'm following Andrew and I'm just mind blown. He let it like take us this way. I don't understand, but we're on our way. It's only 10:40, so we have plenty of time today to pack up, but we are still like an hour and a half away from home. So I'm hoping to get home by noon and then grab some lunch and be able to start packing. Like, I don't think this road is ideal for driving this big old truck. Whew, it has been hot, but we are getting stuff packed. We actually got the oven in fairly easy. The bakery is completely cleared out, so I'll take you down there and show you. I just need to scrub the floors, but all of my market stuff is in the back. It's a mess. Refrigerator is in the back corner there. Oven, mixers down there, and then all of our stuff. We still have a lot to go, but we're hoping to get this done tonight so then we can leave tomorrow, but we shall see. Let's go check out the bakery. I want to do like a clean before we head out too, because it's messy. So here it is, all empty. Does make me sad. The bakery or basement's pretty much cleared out. This I think needs to go to the garbage. Just a few little pieces left down here. Holy smokes. It is 6 o'clock at night and we have so much to do still. I really underestimated what it was going to take to move. Like, we had 5 people here hustling, and we still have the kitchen, the living room, the bathroom, and a linen closet to go. So it's a lot. Well, everything is packed up, ready to go. Starving, having a little bit of a bagel. Andrew's jumping in the shower, and then I'm gonna follow. Look at the disaster. Holy smokes. Garage is completely packed out. The truck has all kinds of stuff in the back. But all I have to do now is just do a quick vacuum of the entire house. All the bedrooms are done. I just have to do the basement and the kitchen. But we are all done. Holy smokes. Mint Bakery. Sad. Sad. All right. Shower. Go get the kids. We're on the road. We are on the road. Kids got their movies playing. We stopped over at Andrew's grandma's to say our final goodbyes, which was very, very hard. I don't like saying goodbye, and she is older, in the feels right now. That's for sure. Virginia. All right, we made it to our first hotel in West Virginia. So the plan is, this is so like trippy. There's a mirror behind me, but the plan is that we are going to, we only drove like 5 hours today, which we weren't even planning on leaving today. So it's honestly kind of, I'm fine with it. So Theo did throw up in the car. I think she just had too many snacks. So we had to stop quick, get her cleaned up, change her clothes. And then we got to this hotel at 7. We just ordered food. Andrew went to go pick it up. And then our plan is to kind of let the kids go crazy in the hotel room. We're going to wake up early tomorrow. We want to be on the road at 7. And then we're gonna do a big drive day tomorrow. So hoping to drive at least 10 to 12 hours, like drive time. And so we'll get done around like 8 or 9, hoping to only stop for like a little bit for snacks or whatever and gas. And then we're gonna get another hotel, and then we're gonna drive hopefully only like 3-4 hours on Saturday, get to the house, and then have all day to unpack. So tomorrow's gonna be a really big day of driving. I hope the kiddos and dogs are good to go. So far, so good. We're in Virginia. Bye, West Virginia. Bye, West Virginia. We're gonna miss the sun. North Carolina. South Carolina. Georgia. Hi, South Carolina. Florida. Yay. All right, we made it to Florida. We let the kids swim at the pool for a minute. We just got this random hotel that allows you to have 3 dogs and 2 kids and 2 adults. It is a tight fit. I'm headed out to the truck now because I need to feed the starter. It's gonna be a heck of a feed because I literally don't have any of my stuff that I need, but she needs fed bad. She's been in the hot car all day. Not looking good.
Guess what, Mom? I taught my hair. Most perfect preparation leads to bedtime. Click Granger.com or just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
Good morning. We stopped in Florida and I fed my starter with bottled water. It does not look good. There is like very little bubbles. So I need to get her to the house today and get a good feeding going because either she's dead, which is not good, but I have dehydrated so I can just bring it back. It's not that big of a deal, but I don't love that at all. Dogs are eating. I am gonna pack up everything in the hotel room. Andrew took the kids out to ride their scooters because they just, such a small space for all of us to be in a hotel room. So I'm gonna get everything packed up and then we're gonna head to the house. We just pulled off the highway. We are 8 minutes from the house. Yes?
Yeah.
Cool. Are you nervous or are you excited?
Excited.
We are
I'm excited.
0.3. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Ah! I'm nervous for you guys to see it. I hope you love it. All right, this is our street, guys.
Where?
Oh boy. Are you guys excited or nervous?
I'm excited. I know. That one?
The one Dad's pulling over to.
I'm so excited. I wonder what.
Right there.
Jesus, that's who.
Are you excited? Do you love it?
That one.
Well, we made it into our new home and we are gonna enjoy this time. I will definitely do a home tour in the next video. Thank you guys so much for moving with us. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.